Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw last Tralaleritas, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with a straight line directly across on the top of the head. We're going to draw a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side, ending those at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom now with another straight line. In the middle now, let's draw on the nose. So we're going to draw on a sideways rectangle. We're going to curve this line slightly on the top. We're going to round out the edges on the side, curving that around and in on the side. And we're going to do the same on the right, ending that again at the same height. And then again, just closing that off on the bottom. Now on the left-hand side, let's draw in a small oval for the nostril, and we can color this in black. And then we're going to step across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's move across now. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes out on either side. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a nice big circle on both sides for the eye. Now in the top left-hand corner, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then we're going to color in the pupil black. Let's move down now and draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's move underneath. Let's draw in an arch line to close off the mouth. And now for the tongue, we're just going to arch that back over towards the side. Let's move up. We're going to draw in the bow, so right in the center, curved line. On both sides, bringing that up towards the top, curving that in again, ending that at the same height. And then again from here, closing that off to create a square. Now on the top on both sides, arching that out, and we won't extend this line past the head on either side. Now from here, let's pull this line down towards the top of the head. And now on the bottom from that corner, just arching that out. Just on a small detail, so on both sides, just curving that line across. Let's step in and close off the body, stepping in from the side of the head, a straight line on both sides, stepping in, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off with a straight line on the bottom. Let's draw on the arms, so we're going to arch this down, around, back in. Let's come down for the legs. From the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in another straight line coming down. Again, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a short diagonal line for the bottom of the foot. We're going to bring that line back straight up from the corner. And now let's bring that back through on a diagonal. Let's extend this line out on the bottom. So for the bottom of the shoe, we're going to close that off with a straight line on either side. Let's bring that line straight up towards the top now. Again, from here, we're going to bring that line in towards that inside corner. Let's step up from the bottom, another straight line across for the sole of the shoe. Let's come in from this corner here where this line ends. We're going to draw in another straight line that comes out. Let's close this off with a diagonal line from corner to corner. And now let's close off the leg with a straight line towards the edge of the torso. Let's focus on the left-hand side first. So we're going to step down slightly and we're going to draw in another straight line just beside this for the side of the head. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes through on the top and bottom. Let's bring this line straight across. So we're going to bring this over towards the left, leaving a gap. And then let's drop down, replicating that again, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the side with another straight line. In the middle, we're going to draw in another nose, so curving this slightly on the top, curving this down on both sides, and then closing that off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's draw in two ovals, so one on the left and one on the right. Again, coloring those in black. Beside the nose now, stepping up slightly, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out on both sides. We're going to draw in a small frown here, so we're basically just going to arch this across, flattening that out in the center, bringing that through. Let's close off the eyes now. We're going to draw in a circle on the left-hand side, as well as on the right. Now on the top left-hand corner, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. Let's color in the eyes black again for the pupil. Let's move up for the bow again. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. We're going to arch this line over and down towards the middle. And then again from the top, just curving this down towards the top of the head. Let's move over. On the top again, arching this line over for the center of the bow. From that corner, let's curve this back down towards the top of the head. Again, let's move over, curving this line out towards the side. And then from here, just curving this line around and down from that corner. And then two small detailed lines, curving that across on both sides. Now on the side for the torso, straight line that comes down towards the arm. Then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out for the arm on the right. On the left-hand side, let's draw in another straight line for the side of the torso. And then we're going to close that off by bringing this straight line in towards the arm. On the left-hand side, curving this around, back through. Now for the legs, we'll start with the right one. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down from the middle. We'll do the same underneath the arm, and we're going to end that at the same height. Let's close this off with a diagonal line. Let's bring this line out on a diagonal from the corner, and then we'll do the same on the top. Now from here, let's close this off with another straight line. Now from the corner, let's bring this line down. Let's do the same on the left. Now we're going to flatten this out on the bottom with another straight line. Let's bring this back through on a diagonal, coming up. Let's draw a straight line that comes up towards the arm. And then from that corner, just a small diagonal line coming through. Stepping up for the sole of the shoe, another straight line coming over. And then we're going to bring that back through on the side. Let's step across. We're going to replicate that. So on the left-hand side, a straight line that comes down. We'll do the same on the left. Let's close that off with a diagonal line. Now coming in from the back, we're going to draw in another diagonal line, connecting it towards that corner. And then on the top, we're going to replicate that. Let's close this off with a straight line. We're going to bring that down in each corner, ending that at the same height for the bottom of the shoe. Now let's close this off on the base. So another straight line coming over. We're going to tuck this in behind the right leg. We're going to come up again, straight line across and back. Let's flip across and focus on the right character now. So lining this up at the same height, we're going to draw in another straight line coming down towards the bottom. Let's draw this diagonal line coming out towards the head. Let's flatten this out on the top, straight line coming over. We will do the same on the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with another straight line from top to bottom. Let's draw on the bow. We're going to curve this line up towards the top. From that point, we're going to curve this back, around, and down. Again, for the center of the bow, arching that through towards the right. And then from the top here, curving that down. Now from that corner, curving that across towards the side. And then from that point on the top, arching that back down. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line out, a small detail line in the middle. Let's draw in the nose in the center. We're going to draw in a slight curved line right in the middle. Let's do the same on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another curved line. Now we're going to draw in two ovals for the nostrils. Let's draw in a straight line that comes across on both sides. Now let's draw in the eyes. We're going to draw in a circle on the left and right hand side. In the top right corner this time, because they're going to be looking towards the right hand side of our page, we're going to draw in our highlights. So we're going to draw in two more smaller circles. And then just like we did for all the other eyes, we're just going to color in these pupils black. And of course, if you're using a pencil or something different than a marker to do this, you can color in the pupils at the end once you're coloring in your characters. Now let's come under for the mouth, another curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in an arch line from corner to corner. For the tongue, we're going to curve that line across. Now let's draw on the torso. Stepping in, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down towards the arm. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. Let's bring this line over. We're going to draw the straight line coming down. And then we're going to flatten that out by drawing in another diagonal line coming through. Let's close off the arm on the top. We're going to curve this around, back in on the side. Let's draw on the legs. So on the inside, in the middle, stepping over slightly, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We're going to bring this line out on the top and then back down on the bottom. Let's draw in a straight line from that corner on the top. Let's do the same as we move up. And then we're going to do the same on the bottom. Let's flatten this out again. We're going to draw in a straight line on the side. We'll come over drawing a diagonal line coming up towards that corner. And then now from that corner, we're going to bring that up towards the arm. Let's bring this diagonal line out for the back of the leg. And then again, we're going to bring this up towards the arm. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming through, extending that. For the sole of the shoe, we're going to draw a straight line across. And now let's do the same thing on the back here. On the right hand side, stepping over, two more straight lines coming down, ending those at the same height. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, ending that at the same distance as well. And then we're going to bring that down towards the bottom. Let's flatten that out with a straight line. Stepping up, replicating that from corner to corner. And then again, one more time, moving up. Let's move in behind from that corner, diagonal line coming through. And then stepping up again one more time, replicating that. Let's just close off the sole of the shoe. So we're going to draw another straight line across and coming through on the back. And that is it. That's how you draw last Tralaleritas from Steel of Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.